Ever wondered how a trade war reshapes a nation's economy overnight? In March 2025, Canada's trade landscape flipped dramatically, and the numbers tell a gripping story. Canadian exports to the U.S., our biggest trading partner, crashed by 6.6%, the steepest drop since 2020, hitting a low not seen since November 2024. Why? Trump's tariffs, rolled out on March 6, 2025, slapped 25% levies on steel, aluminum, and non-USMCA-compliant goods, plus 10% on energy. This sent shockwaves through industries, with steel exports down 9% and auto parts sliding 8.8%. The impact? A $506 million trade deficit, smaller than February's $1.4 billion gap, but still a red flag for Canada's $2 trillion economy. But here's the twist. While U.S. exports tanked, Canada pivoted hard. Exports to other countries surged 24.8%, the second biggest monthly jump ever. Crude oil to the Netherlands, gold to the UK, and various goods to Germany and Hong Kong fueled this boom. This wasn't luck. Canada's been pushing to diversify trade since Trump's protectionist threats loomed. Late 2024 saw exporters rush goods to the U.S. before tariffs hit. But by March, carmakers still pushed 7.7% more vehicles south before auto tariffs kicked in April. Meanwhile, aluminum exports bucked the trend, rising 4.4% despite tariffs. Economists see this as a mixed bag. TD Bank's Mark Ercoleo notes trade's flat contribution to Q1 2025 GDP, with more tariff pain coming. But Andrew De Capua from the Canadian Chamber of Commerce calls the export surge a spark of optimism, showing Canada's agility in global markets. With Prime Minister Mark Carney meeting Trump on March 11, 2025, to negotiate tariff relief and USMCA terms, the stakes are high. Canada's dodged some bullets. USMCA-compliant auto parts stay tariff-free, but the $2.6 billion daily trade flow with the U.S. hangs in the balance. This shift isn't just numbers, it's jobs, prices, and Canada's economic future. Will diversification save the day, or will U.S. tariffs tighten the squeeze? Stay tuned as we unpack what's next.